Okay, hi, good. So now I want to teach you how to use the template that I have created for generate an automated PDF file of AST. Okay, so first thing first, open the shared folder, shared drive, and open for the number 10 AST cover page. So here we have all the courses in our units. So for this demo, I will show an example how to have the AST file from the subject calculus. Okay, we open up the calculus folder. So here we have all the assessment. So and I will show a demo for PBL1 file. So first, before you want to use the file, you have to download first. So right click and download. Alright, so after we have downloaded the file, create one folder, okay, in your desktop or in your storage. So after we have create the folder, cut the downloaded file, okay, to the folder. Right, paste. Right, so now I have paste my downloaded file, and make sure the tab is Microsoft Excel macro enabled worksheet. Okay, so before we want to open the file, right click to unblock the macro from the Windows Defenders. So we have to go for properties, and we have to tick unblock, apply, then press OK. Okay, now we can open the file. Okay, open the file. So in this file, put enable. In this file, we have 3 different worksheet: mappings, the printing page, and the class record. So your task is just to fill in the class record. Okay, so just fill in the name of student for each group. Okay, so let's say for the first group we have Samad, we have Mutu, and we have Chong. Okay, so for each group you have to give mark according to their criteria. So here are the full marks, 10, 15, and so on so forth. So for each criteria, I have put their rubrics here lah. In the scroll down, we have the rubrics for each criteria. Okay, and then you just simply give the marks from the yellow box. Okay, so the range is from 0 to 4. So for example, I put 1 for the first criteria. I put 3, I put 2, I put 0, I put 2, and I put 2. Okay, so here are the marks for the first group. Okay, right. So next, we want to generate an automated PDF. Okay, so we open up the second worksheet, GSPBL assignment 1, and then now we have two button. First one, second one. So the first button, export PDF, is we want to export this AST page of AST file PDF in for each of the groups. Okay, so we just press this button, export PDF. Okay, now we have to select the drop down cell. So pick this box B6, then OK. And then we have now the Excel are printing all groups for the AST file. So we have done export. So the PDF will save in the same folder as this file. So we have the file in the same folder. So we have the same folder here. Okay, so here are the exported PDF AST for the first PBL. Okay, so now we have all AST for all group in our class. Okay, right. So now we have these marks 40 and 21. So the 2 mark is what we need to key in the Sky system according to their respective CLO. Okay, right. So we need to key in 40 and 21 for the group members in group number 1. Alright, so instead we are opening all the PDF file. We can simply extract the data from this button, export data. So this button will export the data for each group, data of marks in the CLOs 1, 2 and 3, and export in the file of text file. Okay, we have this one for the group number 1, 40 and 21. So press this button, export. So the macros has done exporting the data for each group for CLO 1, 2, 3 into text file. So it will save in the same folder, that we have created before. So we have here. Alright, so here is the data, is the marks for group 1 for each CLO. Okay, so again I repeat, these marks are what you will be keying in the system of Sky Valley. Okay, I think that's all for my demonstration. If you have question, feel free to ask me. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum.